This is the step-by-step process that ensures the production of high-quality coco peat grow bags, ready to support optimal plant growth in various agricultural and horticultural applications. Compress the dried coco peat into blocks or briquettes using hydraulic or mechanical presses for easier handling and transportation. Drilling holes in the compressed coco peat blocks for planting purposes. Prepare UV-stabilized plastic bags or fabric grow bags in various sizes as required. Fill the prepared bags with the compressed coco peat blocks. Sometimes the coco peat blocks are rehydrated and then filled into the bags, depending on the end-use requirements. Properly seal the grow bags to retain the moisture and prevent contamination. Conduct inspections throughout the process to ensure the quality and consistency of the coco peat. Label the grow bags with relevant information such as size, weight, usage instructions, and quality certifications. Store the packed grow bags in a dry, cool, and ventilated warehouse to maintain their quality until they are shipped out. Pack the grow bags in bulk, typically on pallets for ease of transport.